Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to go old school. I'm going to show you how to deposit a check in one of your accounts at Charles Schwab. So I'm in my Thinkorswim platform and I'm just going to click this right here, the schwab.com, and that'll take me to the Charles Schwab website. Okay, what you want to do next is click Move Money and then navigate down here to Transfers and Payments. Click that. All right, now scroll down to where it says Mail-in Deposits and click that link. Now here's your mailing addresses up here. What we want to do now is click on Print Deposit Slip. So I'll click that. Now this is going to be an Adobe form, and you can see we can print this out here. There's information to fill in, your account number. If you want to do IRA, you'll select this, put in the tax year and the amount of the contribution, your name exactly as it appears on the account, the date, and sign it. And then if we scroll over to the right here, you can put in your check number, dollars and cents, total deposit. Print that out, mail it in, you're good to go. Hey, I hope this helps. I didn't know how to do this, so I thought I'd make a video. Thanks for watching. Great trading, everyone.